I'm going to show you how you can update your iCarsoft tool for free and get free updates for life. Some online sellers and sharks will charge you for the privilege of updating your tool and then charge you a monthly cost for updating it. Don't go down that route. Follow this guide and you'll get free updates for life. Let's get into it. So you will need to use a Windows PC or laptop to do this software install. And first of all, what you need to do is you need to download the software, and to do that you need to go onto my Instagram page, hit the follow button. Once you've done that, click on this link here. It's a link tree and you'll find a new set of options. Go to the very bottom, you'll find free iCarsoft update software, and what you need to do is download that software, so save it to a place of your choosing, and then go ahead and open that file that you've just downloaded. It's a zip file, so you need to unzip the files and you extract those files to a place again of your choosing. I generally choose the desktop. So then you can open the unzipped file. It's an application like this. Just double click it, and then you'll see a series of prompts. Just click next, next, install, and then finish. And then go to your desktop or wherever you've saved it and find the icon, which should look like this. Double click this icon, and then it's going to show you a little screen with a tool on it. And then what you need to do is you need to pop the serial number of the product in here. So if you plug the USB cable into the tool, the serial number, the S/N number, will show on screen, so you can just type that into the box. Sometimes it will automatically populate it, but if it doesn't do that, you need to put it in manually, like so. And then just click the upgrade button. You'll see a new screen pop up. You need to pop your email address in. Don't worry about getting any spam or anything like that. The iCarsoft really don't even send any emails out, so your email address is safe. And then if you go back to the screen of the tool that you plugged in, you'll see a UID code. In this case it's 1FE7, so just pop that in the box, click OK, and then you'll see the update application screen. Now for this tutorial we're just using the POR version 3.0 tool. It's a Porsche tool, but the process is the same no matter what tool you're using, whether it's a version 1, 2 or 3. EU Pro or iCarsoft CR Pro as well. So you click the download button. I'll give you one last prompt, just click yes to that, and then you'll see a green progress bar appear. You need to wait for that to completely go right to the end. It can take anywhere from sort of 2 to 7 or 8 minutes depending on the tool which you're updating. Some tools have more software on and bigger files, so it can take a little bit more time. But once you get the green bar, you'll see an update completed screen, and then that is the update complete. One thing to note is you can add other software languages, so make sure you select whatever language you want before you do the upgrade, and then just click on yes to come out of this. So remember, don't ever pay for an iCarsoft update. If somebody's asking you for a payment for an update or payment for software, it's probably a fake or a clone website, and you should really stay away from that. If you are wanting to find genuine diagnostic tools, I'll pop a link in the description below to where you can find genuine and official products. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.